Jukmo makes this ratchet belt that I have in here, and I was very impressed for a belt coming in this nice of a box. And look at this. After the box comes in this nice drawstring bag, like a thick silky material. I'm impressed. They're not skimping. They're not giving you something just really cheap. They're giving you something good quality. Look at this. Look at the belt buckle on that. That nice or what? Now, a lot of different colors you can choose from. Black, gray, brown. There's a lot more colors in that. I saw this and just had to get this blue one. I thought it was sharp. I wanted something a little different. So let's show you something here. This is a fabric. It's kind of got this ribbed pattern to it. You could take the belt buckle right off. Slide it back on. Check this out again. Look at this. Flip here. Can you see these? That's, oh, there you go. See those teeth? Press in and look at this. It's not coming off. All right, when you put it around your waist, you're going to push this right in here. Goes in. Now look at this. That is not slipping. It is not coming out at all. That is very strong. Little lever here. Just going to push that. Look at that. I really like this. This has got a cool design to it. All right, let's try this out. You can hear that ratcheting. Hear that ratchet system? And then it has this little elastic loop here to keep it in place. You can get the perfect, trust me, the perfect fit with this. If this is too loose, I can adjust it little by little by little. Okay, that's a little too tight. I just press my lever, bring it back one, bring it back one. There's so many, there's not just like 6 options. There's like hundreds of options on this belt. You've never tried a ratchet belt before, you don't know what you're missing out on. You really have to try these out. These things are really cool. I wanted this for a more casual, and I do have some dress slacks that this I think will look sharp with. So if you're wondering if these things really work, are they good belts? They're great belts. They work perfect. Check it out. Get yourself one of these ratchet belts.